the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money.
Yesterday, I uploaded the unboxing and first impressions video of the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, which I'm sure many of you must have watched. Today, it's time to push this phone to the extreme. I'll be showing you the toughness test of the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. Whether you treat this phone like a hammer, drop it in water, or even freeze it solid, it's built to survive almost anything. So let's dive right into it. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. First up, let's try using it like a hammer. You can see a few marks here, but that's only on the protective film. Once I remove the film and try hammering again, surprisingly, there are still no visible scratches or signs of damage. Now, moving on to the second test. We'll submerge it in water and then put it through deep freezing. The freezing temperature goes down to about by -18 degrees Celsius.
A few moments later.
And yes, the phone is completely frozen, but even in this condition, it's still working perfectly fine. After melting the ice, it powers on without any issues. So as you just saw, this phone can handle pretty much any tough situation you throw at it. And don't forget, tomorrow evening, right after the official launch, I'll be uploading the detailed review of the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus here on our channel. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our tech family to be the first to watch it. Now tell me, friends, what are your thoughts about the toughness of the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus? Share your opinions in the comment section below.